Hi, my name is Robert Adams. Our law firm is Robert J. Adams and Associates. To let you know, our practice primarily is designed to help people with serious financial problems by filing Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, or sometimes Chapter 11, to help them resolve their problem. Also, to let you know, we have two offices, one in Chicago and one in Waukegan, Illinois. The purpose of this video is to discuss some of the myths and facts about bankruptcy. The reason I'm doing this is there are a lot of people with very serious financial problems who have considered filing bankruptcy but are afraid to do so because some of the things they heard about. Mostly it's untrue. I want to go over a few of them with you. It's not going to be a complete list, but it's a start. The first one, I'll lose my property if I file bankruptcy. That's not really true. State of Illinois, as any other jurisdiction, has exemptions that says you can keep so much property. Where sometimes there's a problem is for homeowners with a great deal of equity. And sometimes the Chapter 7 is not the wisest thing for them to do. I have a separate blog and video on homeowner exemptions. Most of the time, homeowners can file a Chapter 7. Sometimes they have to file a Chapter 13. That doesn't always mean they're going to pay 100% back. They may only pay a percentage back. And they'll at least get part of the relief in a Chapter 7. Sometimes people call me up. They're being hounded by creditors. They need to file something, but they have a very large pending personal injury lawsuit. And so they really shouldn't file because a Chapter 7 trustee would take it over. Some of our clients have done this. We have filed a Chapter 13, very modest monthly payments, awaiting the resolution of their personal injury case. The other thing is people say, well, if I file bankruptcy, I can't get credit. Well, that's seldom the case. We have people that have filed Chapter 7, and within a day or two, they were able to finance a purchase of an automobile. We even had one case where the person financed and was in another car the same day of the filing of the Chapter 7. We have clients in the past who we've talked to who are now homeowners. They file the Chapter 7, they're able to get a mortgage in a couple of years. The other thing is that, well, if I file Chapter 7, my credit score will go down to 0 or something like that. Actually, in most cases, credit scores start to increase almost immediately upon the filing of a Chapter 7 case. And the third thing I hear periodically, I can't file bankruptcy because I make too much money. Well, this relates to a thing called the means test. In the law, a means test says if you and other members of your immediate family you live with have an income above a certain amount, depending on the number of people in the household, you either might not be able to file a Chapter 7 or there'll be some difficulties. Each case is different. We have helped people who have incomes in excess of the limits still be able to file a bankruptcy, a Chapter 7. Others can't, and some have to file a Chapter 13. And again, that doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to pay 100% back. We have some people who have exceeded the debt, the income limit, and are paying a very small percentage back. It all depends upon your individual facts and circumstances. Okay, as a way of disclaimer, I got to tell you, a video is not legal advice. When you need legal advice, when you're considering filing a bankruptcy, you should talk to a lawyer who has a practice primarily in bankruptcy. Hopefully you'll call us. We do not charge for initial consultations. It's always free, no obligation, and confidential. You can always reach us at the telephone number on our website. Or you can call me directly on my cell phone, area code 312-804-1944. Incidentally, I'm not very good at recording video. I forgot to mention, on the means test, I have a blog and a video on the subject. So if you have a concern, please check it out. Okay, I appreciate you watching the video. I thank you very much. I hope it's been of some help. And God bless you. Give us a call if you have a question.